Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Mike. Today we are going to show you how you can post pictures and get paid with Shutterstock. So first of all, Shutterstock is a website that you can post your video content and your photographies so other people can pay for them and use them in their works. It is super easy to do. You can make a bunch of money. You can see on different YouTube videos that people are making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month with doing this. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually get started and hopefully start earning cash from your photographies and videos. So first of all, you need to do is go onto the website called submit.shutterstock.com and make an account. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes. And then you are going to put in all your information, your PayPal information, where you live, and all that. And then you get onto this page we are on right now. As you can see, I have 75% of my profile strength. You can see here, I haven't made $1 yet on this method, but I'm planning on posting a bunch of my photos onto this website. So first of all, what you need to do to get started is to get started on uploading your content is going up here on the left corner where it stands my content or upload content. Then you need to click on that, and here you can drag and drop your files, and you can select multiple files, photographies or videos. And you see here your photographies needs to be .eps or .jpg format, which is pretty standard, and videos, they must be MOV or MP4 format. And you can read down here the requirements for the photographies and the videos. I will highly suggest you to read this, because there's a slight chance that your first content won't get accepted, but you just need to keep on trying. Alright, so you click here, and I have my pictures here. And then when you have taken all your photos, you will need to go down here and click next. So up here you can see there's one in submit, and down here you can see there's some problems. Keep trying, your submission was not improved, like I told you before. So I have here, I'm gonna click on my new picture. I'm gonna put on so first of all, up here with image type, you can either choose the photo or the illustrations. The illustration is if you're drawing it or you use some program to make it digitally. And the photo is, well, a photo. On this example, I'm using a photo. So down here you see the usage. And you can choose between commercial or editorial. So commercial is what you probably mainly gonna use. This is where people from YouTubers or bloggers or whatever are going to find your content and purchase them. And there are some special rules with the editorial, like see here, must follow the format city, state, country, month, day, by year, whatever. Not really into that, but really just choose the commercial when you're just beginning. Down here, you can write a description. This is where people are gonna find it on Shutterstock. So you need to really optimize this as best as you can, because otherwise people won't see that photo or that video that you have posted, and you're not getting sales. So I'm just writing FC Midtjylland, which is this soccer team that I took a picture of. Soccer match between Lazio and FC Midtjylland. And then down here you can choose category. which is basically where your photo is going to be stored on the Shutterstock website. So down here, I'm just going to choose, there's a bunch of different ones you can choose between. I'm just going to choose sports because, well, it is a sport. Soccer is a sport. And you can also choose a sub-niche. And I'm not going to choose any. Let's just choose outdoors. Down here you can choose a location. I took this picture in Herning, Denmark. This is here you can choose if it's some form of not safe for work kind of content. You can click this and people won't watch it. People need to click it when they find it before they can watch what the content actually is. I will not suggest you to take photos of anything like that, not safe for work, but hey, that's up to you. Down here, over here, on the right side of the screen, you see keywords and keyword suggestions. So you can, up here, you can choose your own keywords if you have something that doesn't match down here. Or Shutterstock is pretty good at this. They see your photo and they are thinking of different terms that you can use in your keywords. And then you can just click on them. Like here is soccer, stadium, football, sport, game, whatsoever, league, team, goal, whatever. You need to at least put on 7 before you can click submit on here. I'm just gonna choose some others. You know what? Let's just take them all, just for the sake of this video. Whoops. Championship and cup. And then you're essentially done. Got 25 out of 50. And now I can click submit. Now it's submitting. And here, now you can see up here, it's going to do pending. And this basically means that Shutterstock are manually going into your videos and or photographies and seeing if this piece of content actually holds value and are up to the Shutterstock standards that they want to have on their website. If it's not, then you're going to get your content not approved. But if you do it, if you do get approved, that content will now be on Shutterstock's website for forever, and you can always make money from it whenever you are that lucky. So how long time does it take on the pending screen? As you can see here, it will be reviewed within 5 days, and this is not just days. This is weekdays, not weekends. But what I have been hearing and what I've been experiencing with Shutterstock is that it typically would take a couple hours to maximum 2 days. I think that's kind of it for this video. So I'm gonna leave you to it. I hope this video helps. Keep on uploading and make some cash. I'll see you guys in another video.